In this lesson, we'll speak about balance with the rule of thirds. When talking about balance, a lot of designers speak about the rule of thirds. The rule of thirds is a grid where we have the first cell up here, the second cell here, and the third cell down here. That's why it's called thirds. We have a first cell here, a second cell here, and a third cell here as well. Using the rule of thirds, if you can get something of interest in this intersection, you'd want to put something of interest on this intersection that's opposite that intersection. Doing this will almost always balance a design. In our current design, we have something in this intersection. We have the action figure's leg. In this intersection, we're close to the banana and the apple, but we're not there yet. I'm going to take the green apple and I'm going to move it over here and turn it off. Let's concentrate on these objects here in the design. I'm going to get the crop tool, that's this tool right here, and drag the design area like this. The crop has a rule of thirds grid. That's very convenient, isn't it? Now the banana is in the rule of thirds, and the action figure is still in the rule of thirds. So this design is becoming more balanced. We could bring the crop over just a little bit more and still have the banana in the rule of thirds. Let's press return to implement this new design. Double-click on the hand tool to make the image bigger in Photoshop. This lesson will continue in the next video.